So we've already seen the concept of creating folders, so I'm going to make sure you can see one. There's some folders there within the business folder. There's some folders within the invoice folder. Now all these folders here are stored in this location. It's called documents, but in reality this is on the computer you're using at the moment. So this PC means the computer I'm currently using, and documents means a folder or a place within the computer to keep my documents. So anything I create here is only located here, right? Which means it's local to this machine. And what you can do is you can start using this thing called cloud storage. And what I'll do is I'll select it from down here. If you click here, you'll find this icon, looks like clouds, and mine says OneDrive not signed in. So I'm going to select that just now. And at this point here, I think what we'll do is I'll type in my current email address. And then click sign in. So this might take a little bit of time here. It's asking personal or work or school. Now work or school, I work at the college, and as a student, if you're here, you will be selecting work or school as well. So I'll select that just now. Then we'll wait a little bit and see what happens. So as you can see, the thing's basically saying is this you, and I'm saying yeah, it's me. So I'm picking that account there. At some point I'll probably put a password in. This looks like the section here, so you'll have a password. You put your password in as well. And I'll sign in again. And again, waiting a little bit. What you have to realise is I haven't signed into this before on this machine. It's asking me if I want to change things. Let's have a click on what it says change location. I want to see what the options are. Now I'll keep it where it is. It looks like it's going to go to the default place in the computer. So no bother changing that, then hit next. Now it's asking me to sync files up. What this means is it'll take a copy of the files I have in all these various folders and I'll upload them to this thing called OneDrive, which is on the internet. They call it a cloud, but in reality you're just taking copies of the information and placing it somewhere else, somewhere that's on the internet itself. Now it says I've got some things here I didn't know I had actually. I'm looking through the list, there's not a lot of things here, so I think what I will do is I'll hit next and I'll upload those files. It gives me an idea how big they are. 61 MB is quite small, and it tells me I have 3.3 GB. GB is quite a lot, so I'll click next. And it says we'll sync your files to this PC, and to add files to OneDrive just move them to your OneDrive. So I have to go find this OneDrive folder soon. There's a very handy link there. I'll click on that and see what it does. It's opened up a location on the machine. Just see exactly what it is. Right, so there's the location there. Is there an easy way to get around to it? Let's have a quick look about. There it's there. So I found I've got something here already, right? So I have a place to put stuff. Now what I want to do is, I want to do something interesting. I want to go back onto this computer. I want to locate where I put that business folder. Do you remember we put it all inside documents? I'm going to go to the business folder and we'll look at this thing called copy. What copy does, or we can even use cut if we want. Do you know what? I'm going to use cut. Cut, what we'll do is it'll take this and cut it out of here and let me put it somewhere else. So I'll select cut. So that folder's now been cut. I'm going to look for this OneDrive place. There it's in there. Then I'll select paste. There you go. And what it's done is, we'll go back to documents. It's no longer there. But we'll go to this OneDrive. It's now here. Now what that means is, locally on this machine I have this OneDrive that's connected to the internet. And what it's doing right now is it's copying all my files and making sure they're on the internet. So this local machine has a OneDrive cloud picture there, see it there, and that's where these things are kept just now. And if I want, if I now go to another machine, I can sign into OneDrive and I'll find my OneDrive files are there.